Welcome to Cities and Landscapes channel. In this episode, we will show you a surprising natural spot in Huila, Colombia. If you like to travel, explore, and discover new places, you can't miss this video. Subscribe to our channel, hit like, and share this video. Salto El Mortiño is one of the most popular tourist attractions in the Colombian province of Huila. This spectacular waterfall is located in the eastern Andes mountain range, near the city of San Agustin. Southern Colombia is a unique place in the world where life manifests itself in every sense. In its land, water flows like nowhere else. Right in the heart of the Colombian Massif, natural generosity is full of impressive landscapes. In this massif is the Salto El Mortiño, one of the most amazing places in Huila that every traveler must know, the waterfall, which is one of the best in South America. The Colombian Massif is one of Colombia's biosphere reserves in the world, thanks to its natural wealth, unique throughout the planet. Also, it is the ancestral territory of the indigenous peoples who live in this part of the country. Salto El Mortiño is located on a small road near the town of Isnos, one of the newest towns in Huila. To get there, take a direct bus to Isnos from the Neva transport terminal. The journey takes about 5 hours. The history of Isnos dates back to the Augustinian culture. Settlements on the banks of La Correra Canyon have been recorded since 1653. Therefore, this place is also very important at the archaeological level. Another way to get to Isnos is directly from Bogotá or other capitals such as Medellín, Cali, or Popayán. Then, to get to Salto El Mortiño, travel from Isnos to this natural destination by jeep, motorcycle, or other means of transportation. Salto El Mortiño is a true oasis of calm and natural beauty surrounded by lush forests and majestic mountains. Upon arriving at Salto El Mortiño, visitors can explore the area and visit other tourist attractions in the area. The waterfall is one of the main attractions. It also has a pool area, volleyball area, among other attractions. You can also practice canopy and experience the vertigo generated by going from one end to the other. In San Agustin, they include the famous archaeological park and the National Museum of Augustinian Culture, which houses important remains of the Augustinian culture before the Spanish era. Salto El Mortiño is another example of the natural and cultural richness that the province of Huila can offer. If you plan to go to the Colombian area, you will not miss this impressive waterfall and enjoy nature on its terms. In addition, very close are also the Alto de los Ídolos and the Alto de las Piedras, two archaeological areas belonging to the San Agustin Park that you can visit and discover some of their secrets. You should know that if you decide to stay overnight, Isnos offers a wide selection of hotels, taverns, farms, and country houses. Here's one more thing you should do during your visit to Huila. Salto del Mortiño has recently become very famous for its bridge and the crystal viewpoint, from which you can see how the waterfall falls from the top of the waterfall to the bottom of the earth in a special way. Salto El Mortiño is just one of the many attractions to discover in Isnos. There you will also find the new and famous crystal viewpoint, also known as the Eagle's Eye, from which you can enjoy a beautiful view of the waterfalls and take unique photos. Next to it is Eagle Flight, the largest swing in Huila, and from here you can enjoy another fantastic view of Salto El Mortiño. Isnos is 228 kilometers from Neva. It is one of the cities in Colombia that every traveler must visit, thanks to its excellent biological resources and places such as Salto del Mortiño and Salto de Bordens. Salto del Mortiño is approximately 170 meters high, formed by the La Correra Gorge, which cascades from the cliffs of the Mortiño Gorge. The site is just a few meters from the road that connects the towns of Isnos and San Agustin, making it easily accessible. Isnos, a destination in the center of Colombia. San José de Isnos was founded in 1934 by Justiniano Magnasca, but it was not declared a municipality until 1958. This special place has an average temperature of 18 degrees Celsius and is located 1730 meters above sea level. Isnos was part of San Agustin until 1958. It is a place of great archaeological value and incalculable natural wealth. Another of its great treasures is its people, almost all of whom are of peasant origin, who receive visitors with great joy and a noble heart. The most important economic activity in the region is agriculture. Panela, coffee processing, and sugarcane are also some of the outstanding projects. The soil is very fertile and produces products such as beans, plantains, cassava, and fruit trees, blackberries, lulos, passion fruit, and tree tomatoes. Therefore, if you go to this destination, try to enjoy its various offerings. One of the reasons why this place is so important is that it is located in the tropics of the world. It is located in the Andes mountain range, a particularly important river star in the Colombian Massif bioregion. This place has been identified as a reservoir due to the birth of the Paisha, Cauca, Magdalena, Putumayo, and Caqueta rivers. These are some of the most important rivers in Colombia. As if that were not enough, the Colombian Massif has 362 lagoon bodies, 13 paramos, and a rich ecosystem of high mountain flora and fauna. For this reason, in 1995, UNESCO declared the Colombian Massif a biosphere reserve. It is also the sacred territory of the ancestors. Indigenous communities live in the area and work as conservationists. Salto El Mortiño is just one of the many points of interest to discover in Isnos. This destination has a lot to offer. In conclusion, Salto El Mortiño is a natural treasure that offers a unique experience to tourists in the Colombian province of Huila. Its spectacular waterfalls and beautiful natural surroundings make it the perfect place to escape from routine and enjoy peace and nature. Additionally, its proximity to other important tourist attractions in the region makes it a must-visit destination for those who want to learn more about the culture and history of the area. Salto El Mortiño is a place where adventure and immersion come together to offer you a unique and unforgettable experience. Thank you for watching this video until the end. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share it with your family, friends, and on your social networks. Hugs.